Travis from Sugarland has a framing frustration.
Well, he remodeled a home, removed a non-weight-bearing wall, but it gets worse. Travis writes, after 4 years, there's about a 1-inch deflection in the center of the weight-bearing beam, causing a door to stick up on the second floor, right? And he was wondering if the foundation support would be the smart way to go with a single column to lift it up. He says, is that the way to go, Tom, in fixing this thing?
You certainly can. Any kind of mid support on the beam is going to help.
Does he have to make sure there's a beam in the foundation?
Not for something like this. Now, I know you had to do something in your building, but this is just a simple beam that needs a little bit of help, a little bit of support. So don't overthink it. If you want to put a post in, you can. If you want to jack it up and strengthen that beam and then wrap it all again in sheetrock or what, I don't know what it looks like, but you can actually strengthen the beam and make it handle the entire load too. So there's ways to handle it, but as far as the foundation's not the issue.
That deflection, I guess that wall he took out must have been load-bearing.
It was loading something.
Yeah,
it was loading something.
I'm just saying, whoever told you it wasn't load-bearing has been proven demonstrably wrong.
What happens is somebody made a big, long beam, but it was undersized.
Okay.
Because they realized there was going to be a wall under it.
Oh.
And so they still handled the whole thing. But when you pulled that wall out, it wasn't quite ready to handle the...
Not ready for prime. Well, and would that be another option, is to put another beam in there?
You could. You could actually thicken the beam. You could strengthen that beam. You could get it back up in place.
Rather than going to the floor with a post.
Yes, if you wanted to keep it all open, you wouldn't have to put a post.
So you see, I brought something good there.
You brought very good things.
Now and then.
Brownies and
it's
cake.
It's proof that every now and then even a blind pig can find an acorn.
Okay.
And you can find an answer anytime your heart desires. Send it to us at HomeShowRadio.com. You'll find lots of other answers in these videos here. And, of course, we'd appreciate it if you subscribe to our channel.